Accepting your financial aid award on myMPTC. When you have received your letter indicating that your financial aid award is available to view and accept, log into myMPTCstudent. Click on My Finances, select Financial Aid, and then click on Financial Aid Awards. You will have to select the appropriate aid year. For fall of 2019, you would select award year 2019-20 and then click Submit. A new screen opens and you will see that there are 6 tabs across the top of the screen. You should move through each one in order to view all parts of your financial aid award. The General Information tab will provide any basic information and instructions on your financial aid award. On the Award Overview tab, you will see an overview of the cost of attendance, expected enrollment, and your financial aid award. You are also able to print a copy of your award letter here for your records. Need calculation shows you your calculated cost of attendance and expected family contribution from the FAFSA. Financial aid is awarded on the basis of need, which is the difference between your cost of attendance and your expected family contribution, or the EFC. The student and/or parent contribution represents the amount that you and your parents, if you are considered dependent, are expected to contribute toward your educational expenses during the 9 months of attendance or the academic year. This figure is calculated using the information submitted on your FAFSA. Factors considered in determining your student-parent contribution are income, net assets, family size, age, and the number of family members in college, excluding your parents. The FAFSA must be completed each year after October 1st. The cost of attendance is an estimate of the cost for a student to attend Moraine Park. The cost of attendance includes the tuition and fees, books and supplies, room and board, transportation and loan fees. Less than half-time students' expense budget includes tuition, books, and transportation only. Not all costs have to be paid up front. Some expenses, such as transportation, are spread out over the year and can be met by a student working part-time during the year. Some expenses, such as room and board, may be covered by your parents and will not represent an out-of-pocket cost for you. The student's expected enrollment status is also displayed. Please review this enrollment information. If this is incorrect, please contact the Student Services Center for a revision based on your accurate enrollment status. At the bottom of the screen, you will be able to see a summary of your offered financial aid award. You must continue through the tabs on the top of the page in order to decline these awards. Next, click on Resources Additional Information tab. If you are receiving other funding from an outside agency or any scholarships not already listed, you should enter this information on the Resources Additional Information tab. Remember to click Submit at the bottom. On the 4th tab labeled Terms and Conditions, you will need to read the Terms and Conditions and the Award Guide. You must click on the link to read the Financial Aid Award Guide. These documents will answer most of your questions about the different types of financial aid you have been offered. Once you have read this information, you need to accept before you can move on to click on the Accept Award Offer tab. Once you accept the terms and conditions, you will be able to view the Accept Award Offer. Read all of the directions. This is where you need to follow the instructions and either accept or decline your offered financial aid awards. You may accept all of the award or you may accept only part of it. If you are offered both subsidized and unsubsidized loan, make sure to accept all of the subsidized before using any unsubsidized. Subsidized loans do not have interest while you attend school. If you would like to reduce a loan amount, keep in mind that it will split evenly between fall and spring if you will be attending both semesters. Grants will automatically be accepted on your behalf as grants are free money. Remember, click Submit the decision. You can then review the Special Messages tab for any additional information that may be posted regarding your financial aid. However, do not be alarmed if you do not have any special messages in this section. There are also additional links along the bottom of your myMPTCstudent financial aid screens. These links provide information on your current status in making satisfactory academic progress, your loan and award history, and general information on first possible disbursement dates for each term. This information is available for you to review at any time. If you are a first-time loan borrower, you will need to complete entrance counseling and a master promissory note to receive your loan. Please check your financial aid requirements section on the Student tab to verify if you have these requirements outstanding. If you have no outstanding requirements, you should be complete and able to log out of myMPTCstudent. If you have already registered for courses, you can view your bill for tuition and fees under My Finances, choose Student Payment Suite, and select My Bill. You will find your charges, estimated financial aid, and any estimated financial aid refund. Once in the payment suite, you will be able to view account activity. Should you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to a specialist for answers.